What's going on, everyone? I'm here with George Parada. How's it going?
What's going on? Go Niners!
Go Rams! All right, George, can you tell us a little bit more about what you do?
So I work for Jones Lang LaSalle as a global engineering director and specifically support a life sciences client. But on my off days, I'm a big Niner fan.
All right, let's go Rams. George, what's the most challenging part of your job?
I would definitely say the people. And I don't mean like it's because you're dealing with difficult people, but you got to make sure you're taking care of your people. You're recognizing, you're warning them, but you're also addressing to make sure you're developing them. Got to make sure you're holding them accountable too. That's how you get those excellence and those results.
All right, George, if you had to give advice to anyone that wanted to get into this space and maintenance reliability, what advice would you give them?
I mean, so a lot of people don't really know about this industry at times, to be quite honest. So I would definitely recommend that they build a network with like-minded individuals. There's people that are more than willing to share their knowledge and their wisdom about this industry.
All right, reach out to George, right?
Yes, sir.